The parts of a computer can sometimes be confusing, but let me help you to understand these different components.
This device is called a laptop. When you open it up, you will find a screen and a keyboard. Attached to the screen is a camera, known as an integrated webcam. On the keyboard is a touchpad.
It is very important to take care of your laptop. Always keep it clean, free from dust, and keep it away from liquids. Technology, or a computer, has four main functions. It is concerned with input, storage, processing, and output.
Your keyboard and mouse, for example, are input devices. These devices allow you to communicate with your computer or laptop. Another form of input would be a microphone. Within most computers, you will normally use two different types of storage. First is the main storage necessary to keep your files internally on your computer. This is called a hard drive disk. Secondly is the storage used for backup, auto transfer and archive data. You can use a memory stick known as a USB flash drive or an external hard drive disk for this. When deciding the most suitable internal or external storage device, the key questions to ask yourself is how much data actually needs to be stored.
Your computer's processor, which is known as a central processing unit, is a microchip on the motherboard. It works amazingly hard and gets incredibly hot in the process.
Your computer or laptop communicates with you via the output devices. Examples of these are a monitor screen, speakers, or printers. When you turn on your computer for the first time, you may see various items displayed on the screen during the startup, also known as the boot up process. After this initial process, you may find a log-on screen on your computer. On the desktop, you will see icons. These icons represent shortcuts to programs, to documents.
On the bottom of the screen, you'll see the taskbar. The taskbar shows the programs currently running on your computer. Let's look more closely at data storage.
Any document, picture, presentation, etc. that you created on your computer is called a file.
If you want to create a place to store this file, it is called a folder. Think of a folder inside a filing cabinet. Just as you measure liquids in liters and milliliters, the size of your documents or files can also be measured. Do you think it's important to know how large a file is?
The smallest unit is known as a bit. Then you get bytes, megabytes, terabytes. Finally, a petabyte, which is the same size as 20,000 filing cabinets. Look at your reading resources for an example to help you understand storage better.
We use Windows Explorer to view these folders and files. Let's discuss the basic functions of Windows Explorer. The top navigation bar tells you where the folder's location is. The left navigation bar gives you quick access to places on your computer. For example, your Documents folder or perhaps your Pictures folder. The View pane shows you the files and folders within this location. To view different options in the folder, you need to right-click the mouse. To explain how you save a document on your computer, I will use the example of a filing cabinet. See the computer as a filing cabinet. In the filing cabinet, you'll find folders in the same way that you will find folders on your computer. In the folder, you will find the files. Files and folders can be named and renamed to suit your needs. To save a document, you need to know two things. What are you going to call the document and where are you going to save it? To create a new folder, right-click in the blank space in the Windows Explorer window. Select the New option. Then select Folder.
Hardware is any part of your computer that you can see and touch, such as a keyboard or a mouse. Software is any set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do and how to do it. The operating system on your computer is the most important software. It manages the computer's memory and processors, as well as all its software and hardware. Without the operating system, your computer will be useless. The three most common operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux. Application software, also called a program or an application or an app, is a type of software that allows you to perform specific tasks. For example, type a letter or draw a picture.
I hope this video has given you a better sense of how a computer works, and that you are now comfortable with its basic functions.